Starting a real estate business is not for the ones with weak hearts. How would you feel when out of thousands of lead calls, you will only get 5 deals closed in your first year? That's really a daring job, but it surely has high returns. Let's talk about how you can get started in the business of the real estate. According to the reports, every 3 out of 4 real estate agents get failed in the first 5 years of their real estate career. You've seen cases where real estate is not the first priority of many people because of some factors. But when they get enough stability in their life, they start to chase their passion for being their own boss. Now, if you have a passion to be your own boss, there's a pathway that you have to follow in order to become a successful real estate agent. Craft your ideal personal plan. Before starting any business, a person has to set his own goals regarding his personal life. When you know how much profit you are going to get from a specific business, you will invest your time, your energy, and your resources in that specific business accordingly. To make this process efficient, you have to set your priorities. Only you know how much time you want to give to your children and family, how much time you are going to spend with your friends, and how much time you want to specify for your business. Once you get your priorities right, you will get to know the importance of everything, and you will understand how much you're going to get from a call or a lead. Making a business plan. After setting your priorities right, know it's time for the business. You have to make a proper plan for your investments and their respective returns. Now, in the real estate business, there are 3 types of properties you can deal in. These 3 are residential, commercial, and industrial properties. The choice between one of these greatly depends on your nature and your background. If you are a risk-averse man, you should deal in residential properties, as it has stable and less risky returns. People often consider it important to pay their new house, so in dealing with residential properties is the ideal business plan for a beginner real estate agent. Dealings in commercial and industrial properties require greater efforts, a proper network of people, and sometimes a legal team too. A beginner real estate agent should focus on residential properties, but if they manage to get a lead on a bigger property with low risks, they can go for it in exchange for greater returns. The business plan also includes some formal settings such as getting licenses and other formalities that are required by the local and government authorities. Choosing the right CRM. A business plan includes choosing the right CRM. You might not have to follow a boss, but at the end of the day, there will be a system that you will have to follow. CRM is referred to as a software that acts as a bridge between clients and real estate agents. A real estate CRM is a customer relationship management (CRM) system that helps in the management of all communications with leads and clients. CRM tools are becoming increasingly vital in real estate agents' daily work and the performance of their brokerages. The finest real estate CRM will be industry-specific with features such as email and text messaging, lead follow-up tools, and click-to-call capabilities. CRM is not only software for the connection between the client and the real estate agents, but also a proper system that manages your system, including even the management of daily tasks. According to Forbes, the ideal CRMs for 2023 include WiseAgent, LionDesk, RealVolve, PropertyBase, etc. Marketing plan. Once you get confident with your personal and your business plan, now it's time to advertise your product. You will find a lot of people advertising their products in the market, but everyone does not get the deal. Clients prefer those real estate agents who are selling their products with a unique style. Marketing is part of your business that never sleeps. You have to put effort all day if you want to make a difference. Your personality, your style of interaction, market trends, knowledge about the product, and the source of advertisement are the things you should consider while marketing your product. Consistency. Shiny object syndrome is a big problem in real estate, but the most consistent agent always wins, so choose your prospecting system and stick to it. There will be days when you will have to mail 100 contacts and still not get a feel, but there will be some special days when a client's call would be a life-changing call for you. You just have to stick with your plans. Daily mailing and calling routine is crucial in the process. People often get jealous of the 6 or 7-digit salary of a real estate agent, but little do they know about the efforts being put in by that agent. Your confidence regarding your plan and your efforts is the main thing that matters. You just have to believe in your plan and make consistent efforts to get your ultimate goal. That pretty much wraps this video up, guys. Make sure to subscribe to this channel with the bell notification if you enjoy watching our content. We uploaded some pretty awesome stuff here, which you will most certainly enjoy. Hit a like on this video and leave a comment below. See you guys in the next one.